Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So this evening we're just going to go ahead and finish up our fall journal. We just mainly, I believe, have some of these fabric ruffles that I had made out of this vintage fabric to put in some spaces. So let's just go ahead and look and see where we want to put those. I think I do want to find those short pages that we had in here. They're somewhere. Let's find them, guys. Yeah, like this on this side. So we have this little flower fabric pocket there. So I was thinking maybe a little bit up here at the top. Let's see. Let's cut a little bit of that off. Maybe just a little piece up here hanging off the side. Maybe about right there, so about halfway down. Just snip that. And then we can find the other page and maybe do one at the bottom of it. Yep, so I think that's what we're going to do. So let's just go ahead and get our Fabri-Tac. I am messy, so I am going to throw things at you and then just put this back here. So hopefully I'm not getting Fabri-Tac everywhere. So I hope you're all having a good day today. Worked from 10 to 6 today and had a really good day, so that was good. Back at 7 in the morning, not 6. Lord help me. We will just press that down. Give it a good press. Oh, good. We don't have no oozers, y'all. No oozers. So, yeah, I think that's cute right there. How about that, guys? Y'all like that? I think that's cute. Alright, so we have that one there. Then we're going to have the other one over here somewhere. Where's she at? Let's see. She should be close. Well, goodness, I can't even find her. Let's see. There's that one. Oh, there it is. Really close. So this, I think we will do the bottom on this side. See which end we want. How about that? That look cute. Maybe not. Maybe we'll put it at the top as well. I kind of like it better at the top, I think. Yep, I think so, guys. So let's do about right here on this one. Get our piece of paper there again so I don't make a mess with this Fabri-Tac. Let's see. What do we do with it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Kind of see about how far down we need to go with that Fabri-Tac. Oops, hello Fabri-Tac. Yeah, I hope y'all had a good day today. Had a really good day. So that was good. Another beautiful fallish day today. The weather's super nice right now. I know we have some rain moving in, so I am taking the weekend off, but I'm not sure if we'll actually go antique shopping or not because it's supposed to rain, so I don't like doing all that in the rain. It's just nasty. Let's see, let that dry for a minute. See if there is. I was thinking about maybe on this side. See about putting some on there, maybe. Maybe. Let's see. Yeah, I think we'll do that. And also have these words and I just backed them with some orange construction paper. So we may find some pages and put some of those on there and then call it done. Yeah, I kind of like that. I think that's cute. Okay. So those are cute. Alright, so what else were we going to look at? That ledger paper, guys. And just see. We want to do maybe a solid piece, maybe. I don't think we have enough of one kind or color to do a whole thing. I could do that one right there. What do you guys think? Maybe have it sticking out just a little on there. I mean, not past the cover, but I think when you turn it that way, that looks cute. So let's just do this. Since I pretty much have it where I want it, we'll just start out by doing this. Let's bring it on up. And then we'll bring this up. Get some down through there. Let's see. Yeah, I think that looks looking good. I like that, guys. Okay, let's see where we need some more Fabri-Tac. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, I think that's really cute. I like that, guys. So we'll just give this a good press here. And then we'll snip that off at the bottom. And then we'll figure out which one we want. Let's see. Which one we want on the other page. Oh yeah, that's really cute. Yep, see that, guys? Okay. So let's find the back part, okay, right here. So do we want this lighter or do we want the darker? Let's get rid of some of these strings I have everywhere. Of course, I do like the strings though. Let's see, or do we want the darker one? See. Let's pull it out a little bit farther. See what that's going to look like in there. I know I'm probably doing this all weird and strange, guys. See, it's not really coming over the... That's good. You can kind of see it there. No, I think I might like this other one better. This one right here. Oh yeah, I like that one better. Let's pull it out a little bit. Yep. And I like it right where it is. So we are going to keep a hold of this, bring this up, and get us some Fabri-Tac back here. And again, guys, I know I'm just doing this really weird. I just, you know, I'm a bit strange, I guess. Let's see. Looking good, looking good. I'm going to go ahead and go to the bottom here. Let's see. That needs to come over just a hair. Be about right there. Yep, I think so. Just have a couple of little strings in there we might need to clear up. Yep, I think that looks cute, guys. And I've probably not been in camera at all, guys. I apologize. So we just have a couple of strings there. Clean up, get those out of the way. Alrighty. Oh, go away, strings. Alright, and now snip that off there. Alright, what do you guys think? I think that's cute. Yep, I like that. I might have to get a lint brush a hold of this. So yeah, she's becoming a fatty, guys. Look at that. She feels so squishy. She feels really good. Okay, so we're going to put the top in this, and then we'll just look through and see if we want to put any of these in here. So I have those words, and then we have all of these words, and of course I still have some more butterflies over here. So let's look and see. I got myself all crooked now. Alright, well, let's just go. Maybe we could put something on here. A butterfly. Or maybe giving thanks. What do y'all think about that? I like that. We're going to do it. I really do like that. Okay, so go with our art glitter glue. We will put this just here at the bottom and try to get it straightish, because y'all know I can't do straight. I do straightish. Okay, so we got that one. So do we want to flip over to the back page and do the same thing? We have count your blessings. How about that? Or do we want to do this one at the top? Do that one at the top? I think we'll do that, since we did the other one at the bottom. That way it's not so matchy-matchy, if you will. There we go. Alright, so we have thankful and my favorite season left. Alright, let's see. So we have that. Don't want to put them too close to each other. See, we have the belly band, we have the ruffle, we have a pocket there. Let's see. Oh, how about here? We could do this one at the top. Then on the other side of the page, we'll do the thankful at the bottom.